Some people wonder if love at first sight is real, and I can tell you that it is. Because I experienced it. My heart told me that night, you were the girl for me. You took my breath away in that moment. You are my every dream come true. My love, my wife, forever and ever and ever.
When I met Ashley and Stephen, their easy smiles, loving connection are completely beyond obvious. You two are definitely off to a fun, adventurous, and loving future together. Marriage is a commitment to life, joining two people who complement, encourage, and grow together. Today's celebration is an outward sign of an inward union of the heart.
Oh, my God. Oh, super strong.
Thank you.
Only once in your life you meet someone who completely turns your world around. Life seems different, exciting, and worthwhile. There's a quiet calmness when they are around, and you feel at ease and content just knowing that they're nearby. You open your heart to experience a love and joy that you never dreamt possible. And you know that you can be yourself around them because they love you for exactly who you are.
Every day when I wake up and go to sleep, and especially when I come home from work to see you waiting at the end of the hallway for me, I feel like the luckiest girl in the world. I'm lucky and I'm grateful that I get to call you my best friend, my person, and the love of my life. I'm not sure what souls are made of, but one thing I do know is that yours and mine must be made of the same thing. I love you, my husband, and it's you and me forever and ever and ever.
I promise to always stay by your side, to comfort you, encourage you, and don't worry, I will always cook for you. Your love gives me strength, your smile gives me the greatest joy. You make me the man I am today. With this ring, I promise to give to you truth and faithfulness of my life and marriage.
This ring, I promise to give to you the truth and faithfulness of my life and marriage.
Now, upon the authority vested in me by the province of British Columbia, I pronounce you husband and wife. May you kiss your loved one.